had lost my writing, and you know that writer's block, that's the word that they get. So I asked for some inspiration, and I heard the sound of thunder. So, rumble, rumble, the sound of thunder. Rumble, rumble, lightning striking. Rumble, rumble, the sound of thunder. You're searching for shelter. Rumble, rumble, the sound of thunder. Now you're in a downpour. Rumble, rumble, the sound of thunder. Ahead is a building with a sign that reads, our doors are always open. Come inside, my friend. Thunder rumbles, lightning striking. Rumble, rumble, the sound of thunder. Shelter is a church, and the rumble, rumble shakes you down on your knees. You pray and ask God why. Then there is silence, and you hear a soft voice whisper, I have always sheltered you. You need to trust me. Thunder rumbles, lightning striking. Rumble, rumble, the sound of thunder. Get up off your knees and you step back outside. Not a cloud in sight. Then you realize the storm you were searching for shelter from is your life.
Yeah.
Sound of thunder. Rumble, rumble, the sound of thunder.
Nice.
That was it. I like it. Fine. Don't forget, are you leaving or are you just taking a break? All right, all right. Give it up for Charlotte.
Yeah.
All right, now she was really just from Florida. I gotta ask her if Mr. Barbecue's still open on Silas Creek Parkway.
They actually, the lightning struck the roof and it caught on fire.
Are you kidding me?
Something happened, electric, and the roof, and it fired up and got the roof, and they're remodeling.
They're remodeling. Oh, damn right. Mr. Barbecue and Mrs. Fried Chicken. I used to live in Winston-Salem.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Small world after all.
Yeah, I love that. That's some of the best barbecue around. You ready to go? I'm gonna.
Owned by the Greeks.
No, we're just gonna talk about barbecue for half an hour. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna let them know because I know the owners personally.
Oh, really? Good. Yeah, I went to music school there for a little while, a long time ago. Do you need to plug that in? Well, not for me plugging that in. Yeah. Come on up here, man. I'm being kidding. You gonna sing too? Yeah, you can sing.